Welcome. In today's video, we'll walk you through the quick and easy steps to create a new Facebook account using your Android device. Whether you're starting fresh or diving back into social media, we've got you covered. Let's jump right into the process. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your Android device. If you haven't downloaded it yet, head to the Google Play Store and get it installed. Step 2. On the login screen, tap Create New Account. It's usually right below the login fields. Step 3. Tap Get Started to kick off your registration. Step 4. Enter your details. Enter your first and last name, then tap Next. Enter your date of birth and tap Next. Select your gender and tap Next. Enter your mobile number or email address and tap Next. Create a password and tap Next. Step 5. Agree to terms. Review Facebook's terms and policies, then tap Sign Up to proceed. Step 6. Verify your account. Facebook will send a verification code to your email or phone. Simply enter this code to verify your account. Step 7. Set up your profile. Follow the on-screen instructions to add a profile picture. Find friends and complete your profile setup. And there you have it. You're all set up and ready to explore Facebook. Don't forget to check your settings and customize your experience. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials.